Okay guys, so here is the height of this thing. You can see the little people there. Just to give you the perspective of how high we are. So this is mainly where we've been. It's mainly the walking street. I talked to the guide girl there. So she told me that from here to the other end people are walking usually in the evening, but not today because it's Sunday basically. And this fountain there will start splashing and singing at 9 o'clock in the evening. But I'm not sure we'll be here at 9 o'clock in the evening to see the splashing fountain, singing fountain. Yeah, maybe, if I have nothing better to do, who knows. So we'll go up to the street, and that's basically it for today. So that's Astana Nur-Sultan.